Want to go from newbie to expert? Come and learn the real secret to a great garden. Get all your gardening questions answered by the Preparedness University staff. Learn how to design and build your own amazingly productive garden using the world-renowned Mittleider gardening method. Come to learn or come to get certified. Make your final summer getaway one to remember. Your enrollment includes full room and board, 3 delicious meals and snacks daily, access to the gardens, Geo-thermal greenhouse, training center, shop, and more. Early enrollment discount now available through July 30th. Come to the peace of the country and share the company of like-minded people. Join us in August for this final Mittleider gardening training on-site in Northwest Missouri. Please click the link for all the details. We look forward to welcoming you to the event.